你觉得我怎么样？我觉得你很可爱。I will ask her out tonight. 她不喜欢我。
Hello everyone, welcome back to 说说 Chinese, 说说中文. I'm Shuo, your Chinese native speaking teacher living in Bangkok, Thailand. In this video, I will tell you 5 words that may have different meanings or convey different feelings in Chinese and English context. Some of them sound perfectly fine in Chinese, but may be a little bit weird in English context. And some of them are okay in English, but may cause you trouble in Chinese context. 那话不多说，我们现在就开始吧。The first word, 玩 or 玩 in Northern Chinese. But I come from the south, so I will just say 玩。
最近我认识了一个新朋友，我每天都跟他一起玩。
Are you picturing this? Or this? Actually, in Chinese context, 玩 can also mean to have fun, to hang out, or spend time with somebody. It's totally okay to use with adults. For example, 我的朋友住在美国，我想去找他玩。我的朋友住在美国，我想去找他玩。昨天我们去酒吧玩了，我们玩得非常开心。昨天我们去酒吧玩了，我们玩得非常开心。Next word, 大。We all know it means big, but let's see the sentence.
我的女朋友比我大。
Does it mean my girlfriend is bigger than me? Ew! Get your stereotype about Thailand out of your mind. In this sentence, 我的女朋友比我大 actually means my girlfriend is older than me. Likewise, you can say 我的男朋友比我小。我的男朋友比我小 or 我喜欢比我小的男生。我喜欢比我小的男生。Next word is 可爱。
你觉得我怎么样？我觉得你很可爱。I will ask her out tonight. 她不喜欢我。
Actually, many Chinese people use 可爱 to make polite compliments when the other person is not really good looking, but they have a great personality. I mean, we do use 可爱 when we see a cute dog or baby, but when we use 可爱 to describe an adult, we emphasize more on the personality-wise rather than the appearance-wise, unless they deliberately dress cutely.
哇，好可爱！
Sometimes we even use 可爱 to avoid being rude.
哎，这个女孩是你女朋友吗？对啊，漂亮吧？蛮可爱的，蛮可爱的。
And if we want to make real compliments about someone's appearance, like they're really, really cute or good looking, we would just say 他很帅，她很漂亮 or 她很好看。Next one, 病 which means illness, disease, or sick.
你有病吗？我没有病，你才有病呢。
If you want to say, are you sick? You can say, 你生病了吗？你生病了吗？ Or, 你病了吗？你病了吗？你有病吗？ It means, do you have any mental problems? Or are you crazy? No wonder the girl was offended. The last word, or I should say phrase, is 等一下。等一下. It means wait a moment when it is used independently, or it can mean later when it is used in a sentence. But let me give you a scenario.
真的？好好， 那我等一下跟你聊啊。好，拜拜。
我等一下跟你聊啊 actually makes sense in both English and Chinese context, but they have different implications.
Okay. Alright, I'll talk to you later.
That means bye, but in Chinese.
好，那我等一下跟你聊啊。
That is a promise.
我忙完了，你再说吧。
So if we say 等一下见啊 or sometimes we say 一会儿见啊 what we want to say is not bye bye. We actually mean that I will see you later, like 1 hour later. So next time if you want to say talk to you later or see you later, you can say bye bye or 回头见啊回头见啊改天聊啊改天聊啊下次再聊啊下次再聊啊 Don't say 等一下跟你聊啊 or 一会儿见啊 cause I will be waiting for you. Alright, so this is all the content of today's video. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out the great chance to improve your Chinese. I'm Shuo from 说说中文. I will see you in my next video. 再见。